Did you know that even with a VPN, your devices can still get infected by malware, viruses, or phishing attacks from the internet? One wrong click can compromise your files and personal information. Just a quick heads up. If you sign up for Surfshark using the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel so that I can keep making helpful videos. I really appreciate that. That is why Surfshark Antivirus 1 protects your devices in real time from malware, ransomware, and other online threats so you can browse, stream, and work safely without worry. Just notice on screen, you're going to see the QR code or you have the link in the description. Either way, if you scan on the QR code, you will land on Surfshark's official website, or if you click on the link in the description, you will still land on that description where we can explore together further what you can benefit from Surfshark's Antivirus 1. Yes, really do that and then see how you get protected right away online. Before we continue, I want to kindly remind you, if you are following this tutorial, please make sure to use my special link to get started. You can find it right below this video, in the description, in the pinned comment, or you can simply scan the QR code you see on your screen. If you are not familiar with how QR codes work, don't worry. I've made a short video right here on this channel showing you exactly how to download and use a QR scanner on your phone. Just look for it in this channel and you see how to install it and use it on your phone. By using my link, you not only get access to the official website and often benefit from exclusive discounts or even deals, because these discounts and deals will make you to pay at a reduced price. But you also help support this channel so that I can keep creating more clear, practical tutorials like this one, all at no extra cost to you. So let us go ahead and follow together step by step. I will show you exactly how you go from that link all the way to the download page, whether you are using a phone or a computer. We are now in the case where you are now on my page, where you are watching my video on your phone. Then we want now to go straight from the link to the download page. As you can see there, that's my channel. You just click on more. As you click on more, you will now see the link that is displayed here where you are seeing disclaimer where they say try Surfshark. As you just click on that link, it will take you right away now to the official website of Surfshark. They say, do you want to leave YouTube? You say yes. You click on leave, so they should take you now to the website of Surfshark where we are going to download it for our trial period. You just be patient a bit as it is loading the website of Surfshark. That is it, that is loading, leaving from YouTube, so that we can leave from the root link to the official website of Surfshark. That's it loading. Here now, the focus should be at the three lines you see just near Surfshark, the way they say get Surfshark. You click on those three lines, please. Those three lines up there should be your focus. When you click on it, as you see, it will take you to the download page. You click on download. the focus should be on download. You click on download, and then it will ask you what you want to do. You click now where they say download app. You click on download app so that you can download Surfshark on your phone. And here now, if you scroll, it asks you what do you want. Is it to download for Windows? No, on our phone. Download for Mac. If you have it, yes. If it's for Linux, you go there. But in our own case here, we are mostly focused on downloading on Android. My phone is an Android phone. Now these are the different apps. I will go back to download for Android APK. Any Android phone, you just select that one. If I click on it, it will now move me now from the link to the download page. Let's just be patient. You see it's loading now. Just be patient a bit so that it can take us to the download page, and that is it. We are now in Google Play. You click on install, and then it is going to install the Surfshark app on your phone. Let me share my screen with you. Let me open my phone, and then let us move to Surfshark. Let me open it. There's a video here. I'll explain how you can install it and easily have access to it on your phone. You can scroll up here from left to right to the different parts of your dashboard. Okay, I'll scroll from left to right. When I scroll now here, I go to product. As you can see on that, click on product, and then now you will see where you can have more information about this antivirus. You click on it, and then you see you can upgrade to Surfshark 1 if you like it. And then now you see the antivirus, alert, and search. You try to elaborate on each one of them to see how powerful it is and how we can really get protected as we really browse on the internet. While the VPN is there shielding us and making us to be invisible, this one will protect us. I click on the first one. Let's elaborate more about the antivirus aspect first. When I click now, it's going to open online. You see secure your devices with antivirus. If you have not yet done so, just scan the QR code or click the link under so that you can follow along directly from your browser, or when you have installed it, you can just follow as I'm doing here. You see get Surfshark comes in a Surfshark 1 bundle, as you can see here. And here it says unlock the full power of device protection. It really help you to have peace of mind. Make sure all your devices are protected so that you don't get attacked online. You scroll down, you try to see all the benefits you can get. You even have webcam protection. Just imagine that. See fully customizable security. It's a customized antivirus app to fit your needs so that you can drive any threat. You have spyware and malware shield. They are really common online. Once you have this Surfshark antivirus, will be protected. See some features behind the scene. Lightweight security is not going to crowd your device. Very light. These are really some benefits. As I'm scrolling up, you can see why it's really necessary to really install the Surfshark on any device you have, and then explore how you can also add this antivirus. You have 24/7 malware protection. No matter when the threat comes, you are protected. And it says that antivirus comes in the Surfshark 1 bundle. In that bundle, you are going to have the different protections we are going to touch here. Please click on the link or scan to land there. It says secure your connection online. Enjoy your 24 online adventures with 24/7 protection. Keep your personal data private also with alternative ID that I explain in another video in this channel. Protect your devices. Get data breach alerts. That's another feature we are going to touch after this. Then you can really see that there are a lot you gain when you really get this additional product from Surfshark Antivirus that is going to really help you. Please, let's come back. When I go back now, you see you have the next one is alert. Let's try to click on alert so that you can get notified if there is anything wrong going on or happening. They say receive personal data leak alerts. Alerts you so that you can know if there is anything going wrong with your account, credit cards, and even your IDs. It's going to send instant notifications upon leak detection. Very important. Any leak in your information, you'll be informed so that you can take measures. You also have here try also checker so that you can try to check your data security to see if they are really secured or not. Really, we see that this alert is important because sometimes those viruses, they take time to get manifested. But if you were alerted, we would have taken some measures. Even our credit card monitoring, you are going to benefit from alert, telling you if already maybe somebody is trying to use it or to steal it online. You look for data leaks in these sources. They really see that they monitor your devices. If there is any malware attack also, they react very quickly and very fast. Say, was your data leak in a breach? They will tell you so that you can take action. Say, alert comes in this Surfshark 1 bundle, as we said. Really, you see that alert 2 is another important benefit you gain when you have Surfshark 1. You can keep your personal data private also. You can protect all your devices. Really, this is another benefit. We go back, let's touch the other one, which is search. They say search the web anonymously with no ads or trackers. They are very anonymous. They say hide your searches. Get purely organic search results free from ads and tracking. Just get it from this bundle too, so that they don't track your activities online. This is another benefit you gain when you have this antivirus. As you can see, with Surfshark Antivirus 1, all your devices are now fully protected from online threats. But the real win isn't just software. It is freedom to browse, shop, and work safely anywhere. Please take action today. Just scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description to try Surfshark free and experience Antivirus 1 protection yourself. And if you like also my free PDF guide with extra online privacy tips, you will find that the link is in the description too. Just download it and I will be more than happy to send it straight to you in your inbox. Thank you very much for paying attention.